morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Fishing Addicts Videos. Thank you for joining us today. Hopefully today will be an exciting day. So far we just got out on the water. We're looking around, nothing yet. Weatherman or weather lady lied again today, so the water's pretty choppy. Right now it's just kind of steady because we're going with the wind. So we launched over here at Clear Lake Oaks. We've been searching for a bit, but haven't found any schools whatsoever, so we're gonna run out somewhere, crawl slowly across the lake. Can't fly anymore. So anyhow, thank you very much for joining us. We'll hopefully be back shortly with some fish on the line, so stay tuned. See you shortly.
Alright, see ya. Yeah, got one. Crappie. Oh, wow, this one's heavy.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 15 maybe inches?
Camel Joe's gonna love this.
I know.
Look at that. Ooh.
Look at that, Camel Joe. Check out your jigs this time.
There you go.
They took yours.
Except you might want to do better on the eyes.
That sucker's nice.
See? That's
Big
big
bottom belly. Oh man.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
15.
I think it's 15.
It was 15. Yeah. Yeah, 15.
Yep, right there, 15 inches.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold up on the sun. I want to take a real good look. Look at that.
I say
Wow.
about 1.5 pounds.
Yeah, at least. Alright.
Yeah.
Great job, great job. Oh, I can't help you with netting. Look at that. We got too much stuff around there. Alright, sorry. You gotta do your own netting.
Ooh.
There you go.
Oh, did
There
you
you
bring
go.
the weight?
Monster. Oh,
It's heavy.
no, of course.
Did you ever find that weight?
No, I never found it.
But it feels heavy though.
Look how pretty that is.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, it's waltless, but it got on
No,
so
yeah,
good.
push it this way. No. Push it.
Hold on. It's on like a very good spot.
Yeah, push the whole thing out that way, then you can push it.
Oh, there you go. There's the bait. Oops.
Here, you guys want a close up? There it is, a close up.
There you go. Let's see how big this thing is.
Ooh.
That's 14.
A little past 14.
Uh-huh.
Look how
Don't
nice
have
that
the
is.
weight, but it feels really heavy.
Really pretty. Look at that. Yeah.
Maybe about a pound, 1.5.
At least, yeah. Okay. Alright.
Beautiful.
Not as big as the other one, but still really, really nice.
Yep.
Alright, 12 and a half. Alright, so we'll let her go. I'll show you what I mean. Close up.
Oh, okay. That one's maybe like 11 inches.
Yeah, it's gotta be the tiniest one.
A little dot there.
Hold on. Yeah, is that the hand tied one?
Oh, yeah, I took the hand tie one.
Ah, nice. Here it
Oh.
is. It's too nice.
It's just small, but
Yeah. Alright. I gotta get. Honey!
Go over that one. Go over that one. Oh, look at that.
No?
Oh, it won't fit.
Okay,
Oh.
there you go. Can I get in the sun?
You didn't get the stuff.
What's that? 21?
22.
21, 21 and a half.
What is this? 22, 23. Yeah, 21 and a half. Looks like hungry bat. I mean a hungry cat.
Yeah.
Hungry bat.
Wow.
It's a hungry
It's gotta
bat.
be at least 4 pounds, maybe 4 and a half. 21 inches.
I thought you were going to bring the weight. What happened?
I don't know.
What happened to the weight?
Alright.
There you go. There you go.
I gotta revive it. Breathe.
Someone caught them a lot too.
Oh yeah. Okay, there you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Yep.
Just crappies. Oh.
Kind of small, but still real nice. Alright, here we go.
It's not that big.
Well, still. That's gotta be the smallest one. It's
Yeah.
like, that's like 11 inches, I think. Huh, you got your other
Oh,
line.
no, that's somebody else's line.
That's yours.
It's
Just take it out. Just take it out.
it's a
Oh, that's mine.
yeah.
That's my line. I don't know how you got it.
And I think. Oh.
Oh, lucky. There you go.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Nice. Nice. Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, this is not
Yeah. Okay. That's still good.
That's nice. That.
Oh, that was on a
Like
Notorious.
12.
Notorious custom jig.
Yep. Let me show you. Notorious. And get crush bait. There it is. That's what I'm using.
Yep, beautiful.
Alright.
Not too big. Ooh. Small.
That is funny. I hope it doesn't get my line.
It's right here.
So just try to keep it back there.
Yeah, your line's over.
Alright. There it is. She's gonna have fun now.
Oh, it's not
Another one. Let's see. Come back a little bit. Another bass. That's not a catfish.
No.
On a worm from bluegill.
Yeah.
That's like a 14 inch, 15 inch? No,
He needs to tie a little bit better.
look at that.
The whole thing.
Alright, we'll let it
The
go.
whole thing.
Bye.
Wait, what happened? Oh, this is decent size.
Oh, it's still okay.
Yeah. Oh, decent size.
That's still okay.
Really?
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah. Let's weigh that one.
Oh wow. The camera's not on. It's okay.
Oh, it's not. Yeah.
We weigh the small ones. Okay.
Well, because you didn't find the weight earlier.
Oh, 1.5.
Oh, then
Right
what?
here, 1.5.
1.5. Oh,
The other
then-
one had to be 2 pounds.
Yeah, the other one must be 2. Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, small. Small. Yeah. Well, earlier got a couple bigger ones. This one just still small.
Yeah. That's a think I just, yeah.
Okay.
Not
That's
too,
not too bad.
a little
Still
sm-
nice.
A little smaller than the last one.
Okay, good one.
Yeah, nice one.